This is Talk with Audrey. Despite the challenges of the pandemic, demand for certain goods have risen as many of us are focusing on how to improve our lives at home. And with so much time spent at home, improvement projects like home office upgrades, outdoor play areas for the children, and new garden project ideas, I'm sure, are just percolating away, which means that you're going to need the right tools to make it happen. Seth Estep of Tractor Supply Company and Monica Lopez of Stanley Black & Decker join me now to talk about the recent trends and how their companies are partnering to meet the needs of DIYers and professionals alike. Welcome.
Thank you very much for having us, Audrey.
Well, I'm a DIYer. I always try to use the right tools, of course. Seth, how have your customers' needs changed?
Yeah, over the course of the last year and a half during the pandemic, we've really seen this surge into the DIY category, as you mentioned. And whether it be people doing home improvement projects, planting a garden for the first time, working around their yard or their property, customers are really taking that time to work on their homes, enhance their homes. And in many cases, they've got a power tool in their hands. So that's why we're really excited to discuss this enhanced partnership between Tractor Supply and Porter Cable.
Tractor Supply has been in business for many, many years. Monica, Porter Cable is a brand of Black & Decker, correct?
Porter Cable is part of the Stanley Black & Decker portfolio.
Talk to us about the partnership that's been developed.
Yes, absolutely. Porter Cable has been evolving with the needs of different end users, from the residential construction professional to the DIYer. So right now we are very excited to announce the new cordless power tool and accessory innovation launch that we are going to be doing at Tractor Supply Company next year.
And so what does this mean for Tractor Supply's Out Here lifestyle, Seth?
Yeah, so, we always say we serve the out here lifestyle, which is really a mindset. It's about self-reliance, whether you have 100 acres, 10 acres, or a half acre. It's all about taking care of your home and your property and your animals. And this partnership really allows us to innovate for those shoppers in all those segments and take the needs of our shoppers and what they're going to be utilizing these tools for, and take a single battery platform across this 20-volt Porter Cable battery platform and develop products to meet all those needs. So you can have one battery that can use across all those different tools to take care of anything that you need to do around the home or around the property.
And Monica, what does this partnership mean for your customers and, of course, then your new community?
Well, Audrey, we have been listening to our loyal users as well as the new community of builders and makers. And what we are listening from both of them is that they are very excited with this partnership. And the reason is because it means that they will have the ability to pick up Porter Cable new cordless power tool and accessory innovation conveniently at Tractor Supply Company.
So many people have been embracing DIYing. During this past year, people have also been migrating outside of cities into more rural areas. Seth, do you think they're prepared for this new lifestyle?
Well, that's what we're here for. So, at more than our 1,900 locations, as well as our website, we're here to take care of those customers that are moving to, call it the ex-urban areas, or, coming from the city center to the suburbs, or from the suburbs more to rural America. We're here to have all the products that they need to take care of that lifestyle that they're looking to live. So whether it be their animals, their workwear, their trucks, but even more specifically, even the tools specifically they need to take care of it. That's where Tractor Supply comes in, from the advice from our team members, the know-how content on our website, but also making sure that we have that innovation and that products to make sure that we can give them that advice to help them get started as they're coming to live what we call the out here lifestyle.
As people have been inspired to be more self-reliant and invest in their home environment, Seth, what advice would you give to people who are embracing that out here lifestyle?
Yeah, absolutely. So I can speak from personal experience. I've got 10 acres. I'm always working on a home improvement project or working on the property. And my recommendation for those that are looking to get in the lifestyle would be, find that battery platform that you can utilize across all your tools. And that's what this partnership's all about. Whether you're looking for lawn and garden products to tools and drills and impact wrenches, etc. We're going to be innovating together to make sure you can buy one battery platform, then you can buy all the other tools that are needed and use that battery across all those different things so that no matter what the project is, on any day, anytime, it's convenient, it's easy to use, and it's efficient to be able to make sure that you can use that one battery across everything that you need to take care of your home and property.
Where can DIYers go for some more information?
Yeah, go to tractorsupply.com/portercable and find out more about the products that we have today and more about this partnership and how we're going to innovate for the future.
Seth Estep of Tractor Supply Company and Monica Lopez of Stanley Black & Decker have been my guest. If you're a DIYer or a professional, be sure to work with the right tools. Thank you so much for joining me.
Thank you for having us.
Thank you.